Hey guys, I'm Sumita Kareer and you're watching GT Wrap, जहाँ पे हम आपको दे रहे हैं latest information regarding some of the upcoming phone launches. Let's begin with some good news for gamers. Well, Asus has revealed that the all-round gaming phone, the ROG Phone 6, which is powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, will be launched on June 5th. और इसमें होने वाला है Qualcomm का latest CPU with 144Hz refresh rate, जो आजकल काफी phones में नहीं मिलता. It will also have a twin or a triple camera arrangement. और pricing की बात करें तो base model जो होगा उसका pricing start होगा 50,000 के around. And सबसे पहले स्मार्टफोन सेल किया जाएगा US, जर्मनी एंड ताइवान में. इंडिया में होपफुली आ सकता है जून एंड तक. और OnePlus 10T 5G होने वाला है OnePlus की तरफ से 2022 का नेक्स्ट और लास्ट फ्लैगशिप फोन. पहले बोला जा रहा था कि शायद OnePlus 10 Ultra आएगा, but now it's revealed that the OnePlus 10T 5G will be coming in next. इसमें incremental changes और upgrades होंगे over the OnePlus 10 Pro, including a faster processor and faster charging. And according to leaks, ये भी बोला जा रहा है कि this will be powered by Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, which is of course Qualcomm's latest chipset. Additionally, इसमें हो सकती है 80 watt and 150 watt की fast charging speeds. और 80 watt का जो फोन होगा उसमें आएगी 5000 mAh की एक बैटरी. And guys, Realme GT Neo 3T is launching on June 7th, although fans in India will have to wait a little longer. Reports ke according, this phone will be powered by Snapdragon 870 and will feature a 6.43 inches FHD Plus E4 AMOLED panel. इसका display rate हो सकता है 120Hz and it will come packed with a triple camera setup, जिसमें main sensor जो होगा वो होगा 64 megapixels का. इसमें आएगी 65 watt की charging. On top of that, there will be Android 12. और इंडिया में ये लॉन्च हो सकता है between July and September और इसकी pricing जो होगी that will start from 36,999. So guys, that's it from me. In case there's anything else that you'd like to talk about, do mention it in the comments section. And goodbye and thank you very much for watching. For all things tech, stay tuned to Gadget Times.